Here in a new game. It is called Defend Your Base. Oh my god. This is so cool. Yeah. Enter a game? Okay. Magsusolo nga pala ako. What? Ano to? So, magsusolo nga pala ako, guys. Because I can do it myself. Joke. Pero, kaya natin yan. Makikisali lang ako dito. Look! Anong check group? Sige, join tayo. Join. Let's go. Oh, may ka-teammate tayo. Bacon. It's 2002 AJK. Wow. Nice name. Okay, don't let 6-7. Oh shit. In the door. Okay. Okay, naglo-loading pa, guys. Boss released it. Go. Wait, where am I? Dito na lang ako. Oh. Let's go. Ano? Money ko. Wait. Amado carrot farm. Here. Carrot farm that. And this. Oh, not enough. Let's go! Uy, pwede ito ma-upgrade. Madali lang yung money dito. Uy, pwede din ito ma-upgrade. Let's go! 6-7, boss. Oh my god! Oh! 6-7 is stuck you! Oh, this is bad. No. Crossbow. Yep, we need more crossbow. No. 6-7. No. You are cooked. 6-7. You are cooked. Yeah. Atakin nyo yan. Ano yan? Salat sa lipunan yan. Mga 6-7 yan. Ayoko nga. Ay, patay na! Ay, mamamatay na! Sige, mamamatay na siya. Sige, punta ka dun. Oh, patay ka na. Ay. Lala! Okay. Crossbow. Crossbow. Uy! Pwede na tayo mag-upgrade. Let's go. Upgrade that. Uy. Ano to? Kala ko na-upgrade ko na to. 6-7 stack niyo again. Again. Okay, come here. If you can beat me. Ha. You are so weak, 6-7. Ano yung buhay nyo? Naging please. Level 2 na. 6-7. Pak. Sige, patayin nyo yan. Meron tayo ditong level 2. Let's go. Kill the 6-7 kid. Yeah. We need a carrot farm. Wait, I'm upgrade this carrot farm. Pangit. Dito na lang. Isa lang yung nadagdag. Okay. Patay na yan. Upgrade na ito. Upgrade na lahat. Level 2 na lahat. Let's go. Need more crossbow. Because I need more defense to kill that 6-7 kid. 6-7 worm. Let's go. Upgrade this. Para maka-prepare tayo sa mangyayari sa atin. Yan, mag-upgrade din tayo ng level 3. Level 3, Frozen. Frozen, guys. Ganda, oh. It's shimmering splendid. Shimmering slightly splendid. Huh? What? What am I saying? Oh my god. It is so cringe. Oh, 6-7 na naman. Ako na naman ang itakatake niya. Bakit ako palagi? Mapapatay ka. So, paano ba yan? Ay, no. No, I'm not rich. I only got 2 Robux. Okay, dalawa lang. Yeah. Look. Repair. Pwede mag-repair pa ba? Okay, patay na yan, patay. Lala. Ito pa na. Let's go. Ano to? Join event. Set March 21. Okay. March 21. To, kailangan to. Upgrade natin yan. Wala pa pala. Okay. Ano naman to? Little farm. Uy! Lumaki si 6-7. Lumaki si 6-7, kid. Ay, 6-7. 6-7, boss. 6-7 worm. What the heck? Uy, pwede na mag-upgrade. Labawal pa. Eh, yun na naman. Sige. Dito ka. Papatayin na kita. Wait lang, upgrade. Wala. Meron na ako, wala. O, patay ka na. Lala. Di umabot. Di pa long range to. This is just the beginning. Okay? Crossbow. We need more crossbow here. Gang. Yo. Yep. Patak. Lahat na natin crossbow. Dito, carrot farm. Para may dagdag din tayo. Maski piso. Hindi. Ano pala to? Upgrade. Uy. Dami na natin pera. Sheesh. We are rich now. Hey. Dami na nating namimik ng pera. Upgrade. Upgrade of more of that. Yep. Let's go. 6-7 is attacking you. Okay. Come here. You are not gonna beat me. You block 6-7. Oh, I'm not. What did I say? Not racist, by the way. It's look at him. He's black. Go. Kill that. Pakak. Hey. He's killed. He's getting killed. Yo. No way, man. Kulang pa. Wait, kailangan ko. Ano to? 67. 5. Okay, 67. Hindi pa siya nagle-level 10, no? Wasak na ang ano niya. Health. Sheesh, ang lakas natin. Let's go. Lang, kailangan pa rin to ano. Ito, kada second ba to? Alo! Yun naman siya. Prepare. Oh, patay ka na. 6-7. 6-7. Ha? You're 6-7. You're dead. No. No! Ang hina kasi nandito. Wait lang, upgrade ko lang. Lo! Ay, babaks na pala yan. Oh, tatlo na ang thunder. Ano ko dyan? Turret. Paano ba yan? Upgrade door to level 4. Okay. It's easy. This is so easy. Where's the 6-7 kid? Okay. Pak! Hey, look. Look at that. Yo! Tingnan mo yung health. Nawawasak yung health. Yo! Patay na. Di pa, sayang. Uy! Damage ka. Sis. Ito, kailangan natin i-upgrade ang lahat na natin. Lahat ng i-upgrade na yan. Upgrade more. No. I mean, yes. Malakas ng mga turret ko. Ano? Kaya mo ba? Liga dito. Oh, patay ka na agad. Patay na siya. Oh, patay na. Uh-oh. Di pa namatay. Ang saklap. Aray mo. Wait, I need to repair that. Repair door. Let's go. Nagre-repair naman pala. Dito na. Upgrade na yan. Level 10 na yung boss. Go. Hey, yo! 6-7. Another 6-7. No. 6-7. Come here, 6-7. 6-7. Come here. You are dead, 6-7. You are dead. Yes. I win. See that 6-7, ha? There you go. Hala. So, dito na nga pala nagtatapos yung video. Sana gustuhan nyo yung video, guys. Na 6-7 na boss. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. Bye.